the Azure SQL in SQL database. All these commands are in SQL database. But the concepts which we are discussing, this is across when we are doing working as a data engineer. It can be in the ADF, or it can be in the Databricks PySpark. Okay, we are dealing with the data. So if it is dealing with the data, we need to understand the concepts of these things, what exactly it is. Whenever I say insert, that is nothing but we are inserting new record, new row. You can say that loading new row into a table, updating existing column data in table rows. Let us see each and every command. Insert. What is the command for this? Is insert into table name column 1 comma column 2 comma so on values. You can say something like value 1 comma value 2 comma so on. This is one way of using this case 1. The other case here is select value 1 comma value 2 comma so on from table name 2, and you can use some other conditions so on. This is the other way of using. There are two ways. One is inserting directly one value or using insert select. These are the two ways of using insert. Okay, after completing this select statement, we will see how we will use this select in insert. Okay, for now just have this as a case. So example, what we can do is we can have customer table, and have you guys tried executing DDL statements in Azure SQL? Anyone? Okay. See how I'm inserting is 101 customer age, name, let us take it like this, phone number, age, or if you take date of birth also. So this date format is different in different databases. Okay, so let us take somewhere like this. Now if I execute like this, it will throw error because for other than number, whatever the text I use, it should be in single quotes. Now this will work. Other than numbers, whatever the dates or characters if I use, that should be for the values, not for the columns, only for the values. It should be within the single quotes. Okay, so this is insert. If you want to insert multiple values, you should write multiple insert statements. Okay, so what it will do after executing this, you can just see select star from customer. So you will see the data. Let us just try once. State format, Azure SQL Server, I'm not sure what it is because we work with multiple databases, right? So let us see. Have you guys tried creating this table? Where it login? By the time I can explain you. Say this is insert, okay? What happened? Okay. Mhm. I've changed my laptop. Maybe that's the reason. Okay. So let us go to creator. How many tables we have? Only one table. Right. Actually, there should be a sample. Let us execute this. Okay, it doesn't have number, so we should use integer. I told you each database will have its own data types, right? So if you refresh this, you can see the table customer. Okay. Now let us insert date format also. We should see whether this works in this Azure SQL Server or not. Let us execute. Don't we have age? So let us take this. What is it? Gender? Huh? No. Select star from custom. See, this is the data I have inserted. Okay. So what it is showing, whatever the data I have inserted, that it is displaying here. But I have used only for, I have not used the sequence. See here, I have customer ID, I have name, I have gender, I have phone number, email and date of birth. But what I have used only limited columns. I don't have email ID. So if I don't have email ID, then there will be a value called as null. if I don't insert, let us take you have not filled in your application with email ID. So what it will be? It will be blank. So that blank is nothing. It is called as null. Okay. And look at the sequence of the columns. I have created columns in a sequence: customer ID, name, gender, phone number, email, and date of birth. But here I am using customer ID, name, phone number, gender, right? But if you look at this phone number, whatever the value I have given, the first column value is customer ID, second value is name, third value is phone number. So it will go by position based. Okay, the list of values which I have given, the exact position I will be taking. So what happens if I change the positions? Let us take here. See this. I have given customer ID, name, and M in place of phone number, and phone number is integer, and this number in gender, right? So let us see what will happen. Say this. Conversion failed when converting the value M to data type integer. It is clearly specifying the error, like here expected column value is integer, but we are trying to insert something character, right? So it is unable to convert to integer. So when you look at this kind of errors, you should compare, okay, this value is this value is this, it should be phone number. So you should have this phone number here, and then gender, and then date of birth. See the advantage of having data type. Okay. Let us take, you have February 30 and you run this. See this conversion failed when converting date time. So this is an invalid date. If it is a leap year, then it will allow, but it is not a, it is a leap year. Okay, 1980, yeah, it's a leap year. And if you feel something like this, is this 26 is a leap year? No, right? Let us check if it will. Say this again. Error. Why? Why? Because it is not a leap year. So if you give a valid date, it will insert. Now you see you will be having 3 rows. You are having 3 rows. See this. 29th February, 28th February. Okay. So you can give the list of columns which data you can have it. Okay. The values which doesn't have any values, it will be updated with null. This is insert. Okay. So what we have discussed? We have discussed something like this. List of columns can be all columns or specific columns. Okay. List of values must be in the sequence of column list. Okay. Data type. See, list of columns values must be in the sequence of columns list. Okay. Non-numeric values must be enclosed in single quotes. Just single quotes. Okay. Just non-numeric. Fine. Is it clear? So this is about insert. And when we talk about update, so we have update table name, set column equal to value comma column equal to value comma so on, and we have something called as where condition. Yes. I have explained you